In this particular lecture, we'll be forming foundation when it comes to Forex trading, and we'll be learning terminologies and what is trading all about and how to set up yourself and familiarize yourself with the basics of of trading. So some of the elements would you would know if you are already in the trading, but some of them will be something very brand new to you as well. So I really would love you guys to pay close attention what we are what we are about to go through now. So day trading. The When it comes to day trading or even trading, first of all, you need to understand what are the different type of assets that one can use to trade. So the asset classes, asset is basically what is that you want to trade. So the asset classes that you can trade or you can day trade are as follows. Number one is your Forex. What is Forex? We will define that, all of that. But for now, you could understand that this is your currency. And this course is very much focused on only and only on Forex. But then you can also day trade or you can trade stocks as well. I have done a course over here on especially designed for stocks. So do take a look at that one because it has some amazing nuggets, some amazing strategies within that particular course. So I would highly recommend you to do that. And then a lot of traders who do not trade Forex, who do not trade stocks, they trade the third asset, which we call indices. What are indices? Basically, these are basket of various different stocks. For example, the top 100 companies in the UK, they'd be combined in one basket called FTSE 100. In America, the top 500 companies would be combined together under one basket. They will be called S&P 500 index. So this is what we call indices, okay? So you can trade Forex currencies like euro, dollar, sterling, Japanese yen, Indian rupee, wherever you, or Japanese Thai baht, wherever you are based, that the currency against another currency. Or more importantly, these days, many traders now know is cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. The list kind of goes on. So you can day trade them and you can also trade them. What is the difference between trading and day trading? Day trading is basically when you open a position in the morning and you close the position at night, okay? Depending wherever time frames you are based or what market you are trading. At trading, again, I'm going to explain all of this in a lot more detail at a later stages, is like when you open a trade and it remains open for a number of days, number of weeks or quarter or something like that. But a day trader will open the trade at the beginning of a session and will close the trade towards the end of the session. And then we have traders who would look to trade commodities, especially in the Middle East. The biggest trading among traders and investors over there is about oil. In India, it is mainly about stocks and gold. So in commodities, we are mainly focused on oil and gold trading. Of course, I will have a one special course based on that particular one. And then sophisticated traders and investors will trade bonds. These are fixed income assets which are beyond the scope of this particular course. Now, let's move on to the next one and then see what are the terminologies that we will be using. Now, this particular one is going to familiarize you with all the major terminologies that we use when it comes to trading, okay? So stuff like bid, what is ask, of how many different types of orders are there, what different types of stops are there, what are stops, what is limit, what is lot, what is spread, was something that we've discussed in a previous lecture. Exchanges, going long, I'm sure that you have heard of that before, watching TVs, Wolf of Wall Street and several other ones, and going short. volatility, and economic calendar. Now, we're going to break them down one by one. So let's begin with the first one. What is bid and ask? When you look at the trading platform, bid and ask will be shown like this with the symbol, which is the symbol over here is euro-dollar. So a bid is basically, in a very simple and easy definition, a bid is basically like the highest price. Again, the highest price someone is willing to pay for something. And the ask is the lowest price someone is willing to sell it for. Okay? So again, the bid is something that you pay. Okay? You're ready to pay. Ask is something someone is willing to sell. So if you want to buy something, again, I wanted to focus this over here. If you want to buy something, let's put it over here like that, you will look at the ask price. Okay? So if you wanted to buy something, then you will look at the buy price. If you want to sell something, now you own something, you wanted to sell it, then you will look at the bid price. Okay? So that is your ask and that is your bid. You wanted to buy, you wanted to look at ask. You wanted to sell, you wanted to look at bid. Now the difference between the ask and the bid, again, ask and a bid over here is what we call a spread. That is the difference. So over here, you can say 1.07127, okay, that is your bid. That is if you wanted to sell it. And then ask, if you wanted to buy it, is 1.07136. Now, here is a question for you guys, because I want you guys to tell me if you've understood the concept of bid and ask. So, pause the recording and then tell me what is the answer for this one. The question is, if you want to buy an asset, which one will you look at? Bid or ask? Let's give it about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's go back. If you wanted to buy something over here, you look at the ask price. So the answer was ask price. If you guessed it well, congratulations. Great work over there. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one. What are the different types of orders? There are 2 different types of orders when it comes to trading. Number 1, as you can see over here, is what we call a market order. Okay? This one is called a market order. And then the other type over here is called a pending order. A market order, in essence, is an order when you tell your broker to buy or sell a stock or a forex or commodity or index, anything asset, at current market price. So basically, it's like saying, I want to buy or sell right now, no matter what the price is. Now, the pending order is when you tell your broker